Hello my dear students, very good morning to all. Hope you all are fine and safe, staying at your home only. Again we are with the topic advertisement. So we just have to discuss about the two type of advertisement today. One is for the situation vacant or wanted and next one is the another. Okay. And firstly we just have to discuss about the situation vacant or situation wanted. If you want a job, if you want a job, if you are searching for a job, so what will be the heading for that? You wanted. Okay, if anyone want you as a just as a company manager, or he wanna just do you on a job, then what will be the heading? Again, if he is just writing, so he can just write two things: situation vacant, or again he just all can write he wanted a colleague, wanted a manager, wanted a receptionist, whatever he wanna just join you as a. Okay. And here is the next one, that is I'm just going to explain you the first advertisement, that is you are Vikram or Sonia, an honors graduate in history with specialization in medieval India. You are well acquainted with the places of historical interest in Delhi, Agra and Jaipur. You are looking for the job of tourist guide. Write an advertisement in about 50 words for the situation wanted. What you want? You want a job. Okay, you want a job, that's why. So, and column of a local newspaper, your contact number is this. So how you will just do this type of advertisement? Advertisement is always written in a box. You want a job, so what will be the heading? Wanted a job. Okay, and one more heading you can just make: situation wanted. Okay, these type of two headings, what you can just write, and it just depend upon your creativity, my dear students. It just depend upon your creativity. In the question only you just get the answer of these type, like notice is there, advertisements is there, posters are there, invitations are there. In the question only there are the answers. Okay, now I am going to explain what you have to write. An honors graduate in history with specialization in medieval India and well acquainted with the places of historical interest in Delhi, Agra and Jaipur, seeks a job as a tourist guide. Which job you are just finding? As a tourist guide. Okay. The same line in the question I repeated, and the same line in this I have just told in front of you. Remuneration required is negotiable, that the salary will be negotiable. Okay. And intending employers may contact me on that I told you earlier also in my previous lecture. Contact me on email or phone number. You just have to give the phone number or an address. And it's my request for all the students, please mention your address, email or phone number. Without these things your advertisement is zero. It is of no use. How the just those are interested candidates who wanna just to be held on a job, who just wanna you on in his company or in his services. So how he will just, क्या वो announcement कराएगा कि इस कैंडिडेट ने मुझे दिया था? No, that's why email address, phone number or any other address. Okay, you can just give your residential address also. That was about the situation wanted. Now one advertisement we are just going to discuss about the situation vacant, that is Principal Sunrise Global School Agra requires a receptionist for her school. Okay, they require a receptionist for their school. So, draft a suitable advertisement in about 50 words to be published in the classified column of a national newspaper, giving all the necessary details of qualifications and experience required in the receptionist. Okay, so they just want. Okay, again there can be two headings. Firstly, we just have to make the box. Okay, we just have to make the box, and what we just have to write here, two headings you can just write: situation vacant or or you can just write here as a wanted a receptionist. Wanted a receptionist. Here, if they can write like this also, they just want a receptionist. Okay. So again, what we just have to write here about the things. What can be? Ki female candidate is just more comfortable will be there. We just want the female candidate. How much experience must be there? For example, 5 years experience. Okay. Fluent in English. English spoken must be good. Fluent in English. Basic computer knowledge must be there. Okay. So at the last, which address we just have to write? School address, because school वालों ने ही ये एडवर्टीजमेंट दिया है, तो हमें कौन सा लगाना है इसमें एड्रेस? स्कूल वालों का एड्रेस. What was the given, and you can just add the phone number and the landmark also. Do you know what are landmark? Nearby the areas. Okay. And this was all about the first type of advertisement. Now we will discuss about the second type of advertisement, that is sale or purchase for property. Sale or purchase of property. In property, many things can be there. Flat, bungalow, house, shop, any banquet hall. Many things can be there. Okay. So for the property only, we will just write. First one is there. You are Harish or Harshita of 12 Sevanagar, Pune. You want to sell your flat as you are shifting to another city for work. You want to sell your flat. Mean to say available a flat for sale. Okay. And draft a suitable advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published in the Pune Times under the classified column. Again, the heading is clear. Available a flat for sale. Available a flat for sale. Again, from the question only, you just have to get the answer. Available a spacious, fully furnished flat in prime locality of Pune. On which floor? On the first, ground, whatever you are having, with full interior, modular kitchen, spacious balcony, car parking available, East Park facing 24 hours, water and power supply, owner going abroad. Okay, where the owner is going? Owner is going abroad. That's why you just want to sell the flat. And here you can just write the address, contact, name, and after that phone number. Below the contact, what you just have to write? Phone number. Okay, I think it is clear to you all. And again, we are just going to discuss about the next part of this type only. One more advertisement of this type only. You are Ram Rajni drafted classified advertisement in not more than 50 words for the purchase of an independent bungalow. Mean to say you want a bungalow. There is the heading. What heading can be there? Wanted a bungalow. Okay. Giving all the necessary details of your requirement, you can be contacted at this phone number. Heading is clear. Wanted a bungalow. Okay. If you want a bungalow. If you want the bungalow on rent, the heading will be increased. Wanted a bungalow on rent. Okay. Like this only. Wanted independent bungalow for use as company guest house in prime area of Bengaluru city. Must have at least 4 bedrooms with attached toilets, adequate parking space, 24 hours water supply and power backup. Servant quarter, cost reasonable. Contact this on this phone number. Okay, like this only. And these two types of advertisement I'll share with you also. You all are informed to write in your notebook, and in our next lecture we will do about the sale purchase of vehicles, sale purchase of household goods, and sale purchase of books. You can say missing persons, pets, whenever anyone is missing, or to let also. Okay, 2 more lectures will be there for the advertisement. I hope you all have got the what I was desiring to tell you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.